Looking at question number 8, it says Renee swam 100 yards in 47 and 778 thousandths of a second. What is 47 and 778 thousandths rounded to the nearest hundredth? It has a TH, so I need to look at it. Okay, I know this is my tenths, I know that's my hundreds, and I know that's my thousandths. So I'm going to write it down here again, 47.778. It wants hundredths, so I find my place. I'm going to look at next door. 5 or bigger, I'm going to add a 1 more to the 7. So I bring this down because nothing has changed. 47.7, nothing happened to that one. That one gets brought down. 7 plus 1 is 8. When you look next door and you look at the answers, the only option that makes sense is C. Number 9. Tammy gave these clues to a friend about a number. When rounded to the nearest tenth, the number is 3.8. When rounded to the nearest hundredth, the number is 3.84. Which could be Tammy's number? So here's what I like to do is I'm going to take these numbers right here. I'm going to round to the nearest tenth, and hopefully it'll get me that. And then I'm going to round to the nearest hundredth, and hopefully it's going to get me that. So I'm going to start here with 3.784. First direction says nearest tenths. Here's my place. Find the place. Look next door. I know it's bigger, so I'm going to add 1 more. Bring this one down, 3.8. That's true for the first one. Let's see if it's the next one. 3, when I'm rounding it to the nearest hundredth. Okay, so here's my original number. I find my place. I look next door. 5 or bigger, add 1 more. 4 or smaller, just ignore. That does not equal that number. So this number cannot be because it has to have both of those conditions done. So let's look at the next one, 3.839. I'm going to round to the nearest tenth, find the place, look next door. 5 or bigger, add 1 more. 4 or smaller, I'm just going to ignore anything. So that is true for the first one. So let's try it again, 3.839. I need to round to the nearest hundredth. Here's my hundredth number. Find the place, look next door. 5 or bigger, add 1 more. 4 or smaller, just ignore. It's bigger than 5. I add a 1, bring this down, 3.8. 3 plus 1 is 4. That is correct. Still could be something else. Let's look at the next one. 3.849 hundredths. Or sorry, tenths. I'm looking at the tenths. Find the place, look next door. 5 or bigger, add 1 more. 4 or smaller, just ignore. I'm going to ignore them. That could possibly be an answer. 3.849 hundredths place. Oh, I automatically know that's bigger than that. So guess what? This becomes 3.85. Cannot be your answer. 3.851. Tenths place. Look next door, 5 or bigger. Got to add 1 more, and that becomes 3.9. That I don't even have to do the second step because I already know that is the incorrect answer. So your answer should be B.